Hello everybody, it's Fire Search 42 here today, and today I am going to be fishing, which I'm already fishing, but something happened with the recording and it didn't work correctly, so I'm redoing that. So yeah, right now I'm fishing for a catfish. Last time y'all seen me, I was bass fishing, so switching up from bass to catfish. Why keeps on dripping on me? But yeah, so I'm catfishing in. It's boring. So yeah, it's just gonna be you and me. Now I see why they cut the clips until you catch a fish. I now see why. See if I have any. Ooh. Had some weight on my line. It is hot in here. I just caught mud. But I believe, for catfish, I believe I figured out a way to bring them in faster. But I already set it out, so y'all are gonna watch me go through the troubles of trying to find it. Just in case I see a turtle. Or something. That does not smell good. Okay, so I found my little thing. All it is a tiki torch with the cap off, a bunch of hot dogs, and a tiny bit of mud. I let it sit out here overnight without the cap on stuff. That does not smell good. But I'm gonna go put it back real quick. Maybe this time somewhere new. Since they can't find where I already put it. A little bit more dangerous since I'm going next to some old. But I thought I saw a snake. No, just said it right next to shore. What's that? So yeah, that's that. My bait fell off. Great. This happens one more time. We're gonna go inside. Let's try this technique. Probably gonna fail very badly, but hey, we're still gonna do it. Hey, it stayed on. Well, here we are again. Waiting for a bite. Shouldn't take too long since it's a little bit later in the day, but I'm gonna throw out a little bit of chum bait. Except this isn't fish, it's hot dogs, which has worked in the past before. Let's go throw some bait out. We're gonna turn it around. None of them made it close to where I was trying to make them, but hey, I tried. Oh, my line started going for a second. Let's see if we can't find anything. Whoa. There was a lot of weight on my line, but it's just seaweed, or weed, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I'm not gonna be doing this again. Look at all that. That's with the hook and just the line. I think that's where I'm gonna end it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment down below. What do you want to see me do or something? What do you want me to do? Just tell me. And tell me just, just whatever you want. And also, don't forget to hit that notification button if you do subscribe, so that way you can get my posts, or my videos, whatever you want to call them, whenever they come out. Anyways, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.